Hi guys, welcome to the Finest Food channel. Today we'll be making bread pudding, so stay tuned. In a bowl, add half liter milk, to that add 4 eggs, 7 tablespoons sugar, and mix all the ingredients well till they combine. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Finest Food channel, and also press the bell icon to never miss an update. To this mixture, we need to add 4 breads or paos. You can also use sliced bread. Break them into medium-sized pieces. Soak the bread in the milk and keep it aside for 15 minutes. In a baking tray, add sugar to the base. Heat it in the oven so that it caramelizes. Make sure you don't burn the sugar. Now to your milk and bread mixture, add 1 teaspoon cardamom powder and mix it well. Now carefully pour the mixture into the baking tray. Now grate nutmeg on top of the mixture. This will give a nice flavor and also a lovely aroma when the pudding cooks. Then bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. Once the pudding is cooked, let it cool at room temperature and refrigerate it for 1 hour. Cut the pudding into desired number of pieces and serve. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Finest Food channel. Also click the bell icon to never miss an update. Bye.